How to fix and solve WhatsApp call sound problem. Hello everyone, welcome in this video. I'm going to show you how to fix and solve this problem. Just pay attention in this video till the end. So first, don't open your WhatsApp, go and open your settings of your devices. After that, open your apps option. Right here on your apps option, you have to search for WhatsApp. Open it and scroll down to storage. Click on clear cache, and right now you have to back and click on force stop. Click OK and then go directly to your Play Store or App Store. You have to update your WhatsApp on the last version, then restart your phone. So that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.